Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this division problem. When we look at this is very intimidating. There's a lot going on here. But students tend to be very successful. So we hope that that will be the case for you too. And again, we're still going to go with our basic traditional copy, dot, flip. And that's how we're going to start this problem. So we're going to copy our first fraction. Now remember, this is just multiplying by the reciprocal, but this is just a mind trick to help us remember. So we're going to copy our first fraction, negative x squared minus 100 over x squared plus 6x plus 9. And we're going to change this to a dot. And then we're going to flip our second problem, x squared minus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 17x plus 70. Excuse me, I meant to say 21 back here. Apologize for that. And now we're going to go ahead and factor. So x squared minus 100, that's one of those special ones that I'm supposed to just know because there's no x in the middle and there's two terms, there's no GCF. Right, take the square root of both. Okay, so I'm going to take the square root of x and get x and x. Take the square root of 100 to get 10 and 10. One's plus, one's minus, so that my middle term could go away. Reminding ourselves with the x, we've got negative 100 up here, 0 down here. The numbers have to be negative 10 and positive 10. And there we are. Now I'm going to have my big dividing sign. Now let's go ahead and go to green. And we'll do this one in green. So negative 21 and negative 4. Numbers that multiply to make 21 that add to make negative 4 are negative 7 and positive 3. So I will have x minus 7 and x plus 3. Now let's move down to this one. And we'll have 9 and 6. And the numbers that multiply to make 9 that add to make 6 are 3 and 3. And so I've got x plus 3 and x plus 3. Again, the diamond problems just help me remember what it is I'm doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one in blue. And I've got 70 on top and negative 17 on the bottom. And those numbers are negative 10 and negative 7. So I've got x minus 10 and x minus 7. Now I'm having some issues with space here, so we'll go ahead and give myself some more space with the magic of the computer. And I'm going to cross stuff off now. So I'm going to cross off things that are the same. We've got x minus 7. And then I have x minus 10. And then I have x plus 3 and x plus 3. And I'm left with x plus 10 over x plus 3. And I'm all done. And so that wasn't actually as bad as it looked, assuming that we're very good at factoring.